Hello and welcome back to Chasing Trophies, another episode in the IPL. The table is swinging up and down right now. The Kolkata Knight Riders have defeated the Gujarat Titans at the Eden Gardens. An incredible knock from Finn Allen, 94, I think, of 33 deliveries or something like that. And then, Raghuvanshi was outstanding in his finish. Also, Cameron Green getting some runs, which will keep a lot of Australian fans happy as well. He's getting into form just before the international cricket resumes. फिर bowling में अगर आप देखिए, Narayan came and he picked up the crucial wicket in the probably first ball of his spell. He picked up a wicket, and after that, Pathirana only bowled an over, but even in that over, it was 1 over and 2 balls. He bowled. He looked like he had some control over there. Overall, a good performance on KKR. Shubman Gill and Gujarat Titans will be upset because they dropped the catches. They made a lot of mistakes in the game. With the ball as well, there was the death bowling was a big concern. Whether it was Rabada, whether it was Siraj. And with the bat, Butler and Shubman Gill were pretty slow as well. Fez, a very good result for Sunrisers, but Gujarat Titans had a chance here to lock in a playoff position.
Yeah, I mean, Daniel Rodori, what he said, everyone's going to have a blip. This was their blip now.
Yeah.
After 5 games or 6 games on the trot, जीते भाई बड़े-बड़े टीमों को मारे. They were 3 wins in 7 games. From there, they turned it around and won 5-5, I think. If I'm not mistaken, 6-6, I can't remember. But today was the day, 248 was always going to be a chase for them, like a big problem for them. And I just बोले कि भाई fielding में गलतियां करे. Washington Sundar dropped a catch. Siraj with a dolly of him at 33 finale. On that, he's going adding 60 runs. That's going to always affect you. Last में 2 overs में 35 runs देंगे KKR को. And KKR को, I think we have to applaud them because they are 7th right now with 11 points. They came in double digits and they didn't win a game. First 6 games को जीते 7 games जीते नहीं भाई. And वहां से फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट आया उनको बारिश के साथ आया. एंड प्रॉब्लम्स आप बोले चेंजेस नहीं करे, रिप्लेसमेंट्स नहीं आए, कुछ भी नहीं करे, बट भाई ग्रीन को आप बोल सकते कि he's actually been a very good player this season. Finale has gotten light, but he made the most out of them recently. रहाने जितना भी बोलो भाई संभाल ले रहा है गाड़ी. I mean, not in the best way, but 6 games में खाली 1 पॉइंट अगर आपको आ रहा है वो भी बारिश की तरफ से, उसके बाद आप सनराइजर्स को जाके आ रहा है, अब इन लोगों को हरा दिए, बड़े-बड़े टीमों को हरा with a squad like that. I think that shows that they have some kind of momentum. Pathirana again injured हो गया, नहीं fit हुआ, but they're कहीं ना कहीं they're ahead of the likes of Mumbai LSG with the full squad.
Yeah, and वही है ना, like if you look at from KKR's point of view, people will say अरे season तो खत्म हो गया, but from KKR's point of view, it's a huge positive. It's like आप ICU में हैं, एकदम से आपको like ventilator पर एकदम से आपको एक जान मिल गई, because ऐसा देखा भाई they won't win a game this season. You mentioned some of the foreign players, but they also had players who were missing. Harshit Rana was not there as well, available, and quite a few players who were supposed to play for them had to. Pathirana just came and वो भी like एक over डाला उन्हें पूरा season. Musaf was supposed to come, he didn't come. They didn't get a proper replacement for that. So plenty of problems for them. I think if they do a few tweaks, I mean, I have nothing against Rahane. I think he's done a fantastic job as captain with this kind of team. Lekin they'll need to find a batsman, Indian player, captain in that position. And if they can just do a few more tweaks, if they can get some players back from injury, I think they can compete next season. It looked like KKR is gone for the next 5 years. But this one thing they have to do, they have to get their auction strategy better. They need to make sure कि भाई सही players को लेके आओ, और आप किसको छोड़े वो भी देखो ना. Like अगर आप कल जाके आप कैमरन ग्रीन को छोड़ देंगे, अभी उन्हें like आपको अच्छा season दे रहा, that would also be not correct. I'm not saying he justified his 20 crores or whatever, but he's shown glimpses of match-winning ability. Finn Allen has shown glimpses of match-winning ability. They just need a few things. I think Raghuvanshi, look, I've criticized him a lot, but at the end of the day, he's gotten them runs. But what he did today, I think they need more of that. He needs to accelerate a bit more, because if you see at the end of it, Gujarat were like 20-30 runs away. If he didn't hit that Siraj over, exactly, they would have lost that game. So I think that's one request I would have. If he just looks at his record, obviously had a superb season as well, Raghuvanshi. Gujarat Titans, on the other hand, you can say 1 bad loss in 6 games. It's not too bad, but the timing of it is something which will put a pressure on them, because Sunrise is still breathing down the neck. They're playing Chennai Super Kings. If SRH win, I think they go ahead of them if the run rate allows them to.
And they win both the games.
And if they win both games, RCB का भी मसला है. Right now, Gujarat only have 1 match left. They need to win that game at least to guarantee a playoff spot, if not the top 2. Today, again, man, it is the mistakes that they made. Like, they only have themselves to blame. They were outstanding outstanding against Sunrisers. Over here, they could have had a really good game if they took their catches, but it is what it is. They made mistakes over there. In the beginning, I thought like maybe there's a lights issue there or something, but that's KKR were taking the catches.
Yeah,
so
I mean, वो तो डॉलीज भी थे, सुंदर का
Simple
and सिराज का
catches.
तो बहुत ज्यादा इजी था,
Yeah.
वो आप शायद लाइट पे नहीं भी
And जब pressure आता है, जब आप catch drop करते हो, उसके बाद भी there are moments where you can win the game. Even when you're chasing 240, there should have been that mindset we can go. I think the way Shubman Gill started, the way Josh Butler started, it wasn't acceptable. You can't go run a ball. I understand आपकी batting mid order नहीं है, मगर यार आप वैसे ही मैच हारेंगे अगर डीप लेके जा रहे हो, because ये मैच डीप वाला है नहीं, आपको पहले बॉल से चलाना है. So I think that is where they need to change their mindset a bit. I know they have a middle order issue, लेकिन in these kind of chases, if your bowlers don't do the job, then that's the thing. And somebody was telling us in the comments, I forgot who exactly, yesterday कि गुजरात को अगर हराना है फ्लैट डेक देना है, वही हुआ आज, राइट? लाइक केकेआर जैसी टीम जो स्ट्रगल कर रही है इस सीजन, उन लोग फ्लैट डेक में गुजरात को सताए, तो फिर अगर आप फ्लैट डेक मिल रही है गुजरात को, तो वहां पे उनको देखना पड़ेगा कि यार चलो भाई, जो भी अपना मिड ऑर्डर अपने को ऊपर से ही चलाना पड़ेगा.
100%. नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है. आई थिंक रन्स आर अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. 240 के 30 पार करे बाद गुजरात थोड़ा हैबत में आ जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक सुदर्शन का एक मोमेंटम ब्रेकर बैटिंग में मिल गया था, बिकॉज़ ही वाज गोइंग वेरी क्विक. आई थिंक शुभमन वुड हैव जॉइंड हिम, बट वहां पे एकदम उसका जो भी निकल आया, उसके वजह से थोड़ा, बट लाइक द बॉलिंग, द कैचिंग, वो सब तो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. Now, from being one of the teams to probably be the first to qualify, you're a little bit in a tight spot. Chennai is not going to be easy. अगर खुदा ना खास्ता Chennai Hyderabad को हराती, they will catch momentum. They will go to one Gujarat wanting to win, and Chennai knowing that whole Thala scenario, भाई वरना भरा देते, धोनी को ला लेते वहाँ, अहमदाबाद में लेके आए. आप सोचो पूरा 150,000 लोग आप भरेंगे. So I mean, first तो सनराइजर हरा देंगे इंशाल्लाह हम लोग को, but I think Gujarat will be a little bit scared going into that Chennai game. Now जितना confident आज हो सकते थे, और भाई actually they did well by winning the toss and wanting to chase, but they didn't expect 248 for sure, and that's where those last 2 overs and those catch drops and Finn Allen, भाई he just ran.
Yeah, I do agree with you, because देखो Sunrisers भी कितना we've seen them chase 220, 230, like right there 240 becomes a bit too much at times. Like even though I think Sunrisers chase that as well.
Yeah, like someone in the comments said like GT के लिए it's going to be
it's going to be so that is the thing, like they need to, I'm not saying copy, but like what Shubman Gill has to understand is अगर खाली होते रन फिर आपको चलाना पड़ेगा यार. like
अगली दिखेंगे आप हारे जब,
अगर अगली दिखेगा मगर आपको चलाना पड़ेगा, because आपके पास कोई चांस नहीं है, because उन्हें और बटलर पूरा खेले, because 17-18
आपके पास होल्डर भी है जो मारता.
तो आपको like वो उनको देखना पड़ेगा कि भाई फ्लैट विकेट पे कैसा करना है. बाकी का यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है उनकी टीम अच्छी, आज भी फ्लैट विकेट पे उनके बॉलर्स चांसेस क्रिएट करे, लेकिन अगर आप ड्रॉप करेंगे तो फिर यही होने वाला है. And yeah man, I think Finn Allen was outstanding man today. बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करा उन्हें. I was really happy with him. Raghuvanshi,
Green as well.
Green all-round performance आज उसका.
His third 50 of the season.
Yeah, third 50. मतलब चलो ठीक है, आप लाइक जब इतने पैसे देते 100 एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, रोज 100 बना, वो तो होएगा नहीं क्रिकेट में. इकोनॉमिक्स वो रहता, सप्लाई एंड डिमांड रहता, ऑक्शन, उसके पैसे मिलके, पर एटलीस्ट उन्हें कुछ तो कंट्रीब्यूट करा, राइट?
बॉल भी कर दिया आपने.
या बॉल भी कर दिया. देखो प्लेयर टू प्लेयर रहता है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन, डिपेंड्स ऑन द सीजन. आई थिंक Cameron Green has a lot of potential as a player. He still didn't have the best of seasons, but he's shown a glimpse of what he can do आगे जाके.
That's what I remember. Like people are forgetting he came back from injury. He played an action but टूटा-फूटा खेला. अब आया, अब next year अगर everything goes well for him, he might be in a much more better space taking these notes from the IPL 26.
Yeah, 100%. And you can basically now, I think for Gujarat, they have one more game. They'll have to win that game to find, but they don't know where they're going to finish, depending on other teams.
They can finish in the top 4, like 70% they can finish in the top 4.
Yeah, but top 2 is not in their hands.
Top 2 is not in their hands.
But top 4 is still in their hands.
Topical net run rate उनका अच्छा है.
अच्छा, so they can still make it to the top 4 if they beat the Chennai Super Kings. And then we've got RCB and Punjab today. आज भी मजा आने वाला है. That's going to be a cracker of a game for RCB. If they win, they'll probably guarantee qualification. If they lose, then again they're in the same boat. They'll have to beat Sunrisers, I think. And Punjab के लिए यार मैच तो जीत रहे हैं, उनको जीता. I have a feeling just on love average they'll win the game. कितना हार सकते हैं और, but if they can win 6 on the trot, they can lose 6 on the trot. So 100%. Anything can happen.
Problem ये है कि अगर आप देखो RCB कल हारी and राजस्थान जीत गई, Sunrisers जीत गई, या Chennai, I don't know which way that will go, but then the table again is going to be flip flop till the next.
Yeah, no, I understand. Like, and that is why it's becoming exciting now. And also, to be fair, we've had good games in the last.
The games are also good because Punjab is going to play Mumbai, in the coming week.
Yes.
And then Sunrisers have to play CSK
Chennai
RCB.
and RCB, yes.
If RCB lose this game and RCB lose against us,
Yes.
and then RCB has LSG and
Yeah.
LSG is in good form.
Yeah.
So it's going to be very
Yeah, topsy-turvy. Like there could be a lot of movement. This
Movement, a lot of
this is movement week of the IPL, and it's the last week, I think, proper week of the
Not
IPL.
proper.
Yeah,
From Monday on.
from Monday onwards, going to be the last proper week of the IPL. Damn, man, it's gone quick. It's been tiring, but it's gone quick.
Not like last time.
Yeah, last time there was a pause and stuff. So like, even though there's been a lot of games this season, but it's gone pretty quick. We're going into the last week of the IPL. But the top four right now, I'm probably gonna go with RCB.
GT.
I'll go with SRH, Gujarat Titans, Rajasthan Royals. But for that, RCB need to win today, and we need to beat
And
CSK.
Rajasthan have to beat Delhi.
Rajasthan will beat Delhi. I feel that Rajasthan will
Late entry. Wild card.
late entry. I have a feeling. I already picked them so I need to back them.
Yeah.
But that's what I feel is going to be
Who
the
was the
top
third
four.
team? Like GT.
GT. I'm going second Sunrisers.
So Punjab is the one that's going to.
निकालो यार क्यों क्या already आगे final. Why do you want them again in the playoff?
I don't want RCB, but yeah.
But RCB, the problem is even I don't mind if they're out, but
they're ahead.
I didn't have them in the top four.
Yeah.
But they're ahead, man. That's the problem.
RCB is on 16 technically.
So, you know
if
the
they
pro-
lose tomorrow,
Yeah.
and they lose against us.
Yes.
That's 200 and stuck on 16.
Yes.
And then other people will be like.
Which I understand, but the
But
thing
for
is,
us, the biggest thing is we just have to win.
but the thing is that the only problem in that is that Sunrisers will also be in jeopardy with RCB, like to lose
No.
a playoff spot.
हाँ,
If
but
Punjab
we-
comes through.
for us, it's very simple. We
Yeah.
have to win both our games. We can't like dependability of छोड़ना.
Yeah.
जो होना था हमारे लिए हो गया. MI जीत गए, LS जीत गए, KKR जीत गए.
Now you have to win the
Now
next
we
two
have to win
games.
the next game.
So let's see what happens. I'm going with that right now. I don't mind playing RCB in a qualifier one, qualifier
In the
two.
final
Like,
also.
I'll take that,
Yeah.
right? But I would want to finish in the top two. But to be very honest with you, even if we finish third, fourth, I think it's a fantastic season for Sunrisers Hyderabad. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगता कि भाई like हम top four में आना चाहिए था, तो आ रहे तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो like कहीं भी आ जाओ भाई, third, fourth, second, first, I'll take it. But yeah, I think if you look at the other teams, Gujarat, RCB, Punjab is the one who will probably be hit the most if they don't make it to the playoffs, because they are
100%.
expected
The
to.
way they started.
The way they
and
started,
because
yes.
only of their bowling. And
Yeah,
catching.
so let's see what happens. And you can see already a team which is reliant on their batting, they're struggling as the tournament goes on, and a team which relies on the bowling has gone up, which is Gujarat Titans. Again, anything can happen, but we're just seeing a pattern right now.
Yeah, the pitches are more dry up and like there's a lot of factors.
There are factors, but let's see what happens. It's not like Gujarat don't have the problems. It doesn't mean Punjab don't have their strengths. Anyone can qualify. I'm still looking forward to it. Faiz also looking forward to it. I'm sure we'll catch you for the double header today later on in the day. Thank you everybody for joining, and make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and do drop a comment on the video. Thank you.